Today, I'll be sharing with you guys a very simple trading strategy that's easy to look for in the charts. You can use it to get funded, you can use it to compound your personal accounts, and I've broken it down into four very simple steps. So let's get into it. Number one, we're going to be identifying a run on liquidity, a liquidity sweep plus displacement. So you can see here, we've taken out this short-term low, and we have a rather large displacement to the upside. Number two, we're going to be identifying our premium versus discount of the range. So we can take this low or this low, it doesn't really matter, they're all pretty much the same. And anything below our equilibrium, which is this point, we are going to be hunting longs. Why are we hunting longs from the discount? Is because price is deemed to be relatively cheap in comparison at this moment in time to other areas which are in the premium pricing here. So we've denoted our range. I'll just pull this over so I can make it a little bit more clean. And we're going to be hunting, like I said, buy entries in the discount of the range. Now, we need to identify sell side liquidity for entry and BSL, buy side liquidity for exit. Why is that? Because we want to pair our buys with the smart money to hopefully get into a position that's going to displace aggressively in our intended direction for our take profit to be hit. So internally to this range here, where is the only point of liquidity that you can see? Well, either we have this low, or this low. So I'll just mark on. We have this as sell side liquidity, and we need buy side liquidity for an exit. As you can see, we have stacked equal highs here for buy side liquidity. So let's make this a little bit tidier. Our buy side liquidity there, as you can see, and our sell side liquidity here. And we also need time on our price so that we can be assured that we are trading during the high volume hours where we're most likely going to see the biggest displacements. So in this example, we will be using New York kill zone, which is around about this time here, a little bit earlier actually. So first thing we're going to be doing is waiting for our sell side liquidity to be taken. And as you can see there, we take sell side liquidity into a previous reclaimed order block during a New York kill zone. So whilst that happens and you get this nice rejection candlestick, you can take your entry and cover the order block, giving us around about an 8 pip stop loss. And our first target is going to be our first buy side liquidity within the range for our take profit 1 to pay the trader for 5R, and our take profit 2 is going to be either here if you're not comfortable holding to the swing high, or take profit 2 for a total of almost 10R to our swing high. And as you can see, we get that lovely displacement from our discount after sweeping sell side liquidity. So if wanted, we can also look for a potential scale in. So we can also draw our premium versus discount range in here. We trade into a discount into this breaker block here. So if you wanted to, you could take another entry with a slightly larger stop loss, covering this bullish order block here for another entry. As you can see, we come into the night now, but if you're comfortable holding the trade, we run on and displace above our final target for a total profit of 9.5R and 4.5R, giving us a total of 14R profit on the trade. Lovely. So I hope that you realize how simple that you can make trading. You just need to wait for these high probability setups to be seen in the charts. And also don't forget to check the link in the description, my free Discord where I share all of my analysis on a daily basis. my key levels, my point of interest, and how and why we are looking there. So come in. I want you guys to learn. Jump in the chat. I hope to see you in there and drop me a DM. I'll catch you in the next one.